Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we share delicious recipes and cooking tips to help you elevate your meals. Today, we are focusing on meal prep ideas that are perfect for busy weekdays when you don't have a lot of time to cook. Let's get started. Meal prep idea 1. Mason jar salads. Mason jar salads are a great option for a healthy and filling lunch on the go. Simply layer your favorite veggies, protein, and dressing in a jar, and store in the fridge for up to a week. Meal prep idea 2. Sheet pan dinners. Sheet pan dinners are an easy and quick way to make a complete meal with minimal cleanup. Simply chop up your favorite veggies and protein, season with herbs and spices, and roast in the oven for a delicious and flavorful meal. Meal prep idea 3. Overnight oats. Overnight oats are a great breakfast option that can be prepared the night before. Simply mix oats, milk, and your favorite toppings in a jar, and store in the fridge overnight. In the morning, you'll have a delicious and nutritious breakfast ready to go. Meal prep idea 4. Egg muffins. Egg muffins are a great option for a protein-packed breakfast or snack. Simply whisk eggs with your favorite veggies, cheese, and seasoning, and bake in a muffin tin for a portable and delicious meal. Meal prep idea 5. Slow cooker meals. Slow cooker meals are a great option for a delicious and easy dinner. Simply add your favorite protein, veggies, and seasoning to the slow cooker, and let it cook all day for a flavorful and tender meal. Outro. Well, that's it for today's video. We hope these meal prep ideas have inspired you to try something new in the kitchen. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes and cooking tips. Thanks for watching.